All right, let's take a peek at this ratchet organizer kit. So the idea here is we've got some magnets on the back. Your ratchet slips into that, rests on that, magnet there too, and they sit still inside your toolbox. Let's try it out real quick. Now the design intent is for this to go on a drawer, but I found if you've got a metal wall or something you use, these will hold very well on that as well and kind of keep this in place, but it slides out fairly easily, so you probably don't want to close this lid. Let's throw it in a drawer. These magnets are pretty good. Now I've got a mat on here between these things and the metal, and they're still holding on pretty darn good when I open and close this drawer. And you see you can run them vertical or horizontal. There's my 3/8, little stubby. So a neat little way to do this. And what's nice here is when we go in to grab one of these, our fingers go right under them. It seems funny, but you're not scrabbling around with your fingernails trying to grab something. You just grab and go. So I like that it gives you a little space underneath the sockets. And if you have a really cramped box, you can throw extra stuff under it. Yeah, overall, I am a fan.